Hello, welcome to Great Garden. To keep your orchid garden blooming beautifully and to give you more options for caring for your plants, today I'll be sharing an extremely simple organic fertilizer recipe. It uses only familiar kitchen ingredients, safe, gentle, and easy for anyone to make. When you apply this method correctly, you will notice plump, healthy white roots, shiny, smooth, vibrant leaves, long flower spikes, evenly formed buds, and bright, beautiful blooms. Be sure to watch the entire video to discover natural plant care secrets that will help every plant in your garden thrive with vibrant color and energy. Let's get started. The first ingredient I chose is coffee grounds. Don't underestimate this familiar ingredient. Coffee grounds contain up to 4% nitrogen, 3% potassium, and 1% phosphorus, essential nutrients that help plants grow evenly, develop strong roots, maintain green leaves, and boost overall vitality. First, I will put 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds into a clean cup. Next, I pour 500 milliliters of warm water into the cup to start dissolving the coffee grounds. Then, stir well. Natural nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, along with many beneficial organic compounds, will gradually be released into the water. Finally, I will cover the cup and let it steep for about an hour, allowing the nutrients in the coffee grounds to fully dissolve. While waiting, I will lightly rinse the orchid pot. Don't think this is just a routine step. In fact, it's an important technique that helps wake up the roots and prepares the plant to efficiently absorb nutrients. The clean water poured through will evenly moisten the entire growing medium while washing away accumulated salts, dust, and other residues around the roots. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients will be quickly absorbed and evenly distributed, minimizing the risk of fertilizer shock or root burn. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After finishing the rinsing step, you should lift the plant to let it rest for a while, allowing it to stabilize its moisture and begin absorbing nutrients in the most natural way. After 1 hour, I strain out the grounds, keeping only the liquid extract. This extract contains a wealth of natural minerals and beneficial organic compounds from the coffee grounds. These components not only help inhibit harmful bacteria and molds, but also create a healthy microbial environment around the roots, supporting strong plant growth and enhancing natural resistance. Next, I will use 1 liter of clean, room temperature water to dilute the solution. Now the fertilizer solution is ready to use. Let's apply it directly to your orchid pot. Method 1. First, I pour the coffee grounds solution into a watering can, then start gently watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides a rich supply of natural nutrients from the coffee grounds extract, but also delivers remaining organic compounds, antioxidants, and minerals, promoting strong root growth, glossy green leaves, and enhancing the plant's natural resistance. Coffee grounds are rich in potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and many essential trace minerals, helping plants efficiently absorb nutrients, restore vitality, and promote overall growth. At the same time, the natural compounds in coffee help reduce fungal infections, improve the aeration of the growing medium, and create an ideal environment for beneficial microbes around the roots. It's recommended to water regularly once a week at first, then gradually reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a steady supply of nutrients. When watering, do so gently and evenly, avoiding excessive water accumulation, so the roots can absorb nutrients effectively. The growing medium stays well aerated, and the risk of fungal infections is minimized. Method 2. Transfer the prepared solution into a spray bottle, then gently mist the entire plant, from the leaves and stems to the roots and leaf axils. When misted as a fine spray, the remaining natural nutrients in the coffee grounds, such as caffeine, minerals, and antioxidants, evenly coat the plant, forming a natural protective layer. This helps boost the plant's resistance and reduces the risk of harmful bacteria, fungi, and insect attacks. Be sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution penetrates deeply, keeping the leaves clean and airy, improving photosynthesis, and promoting vigorous growth. During the first month, use this method once a week. Once the plant is stable, you can reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term care effectiveness. After spraying, place the plant in a well-ventilated area for about 15 minutes, allowing the leaves and roots to fully absorb the nutrients from the coffee grounds. After 15 minutes, if there are still water droplets on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe them off with a soft cloth or clean cotton. This step is very important, as standing water can create a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, you have effectively prevented harmful agents, reducing the risk of leaf or tip rot, and keeping your orchid healthy with thick, glossy, and vibrant foliage. Method 3. I will pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Next, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution. Then slowly and carefully wipe each side of the orchid's leaves. As you wipe, layers of dust and residue that have built up over time will be removed, allowing the leaf surface to breathe better and absorb light more efficiently, which enhances photosynthesis. At the same time, this also helps reduce the attack of bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves shiny and healthy. In addition, Coffee grounds contain light minerals and organic compounds such as nitrogen, magnesium, and potassium, which help boost leaf vitality, support metabolic processes, and enhance the plant's natural resistance. Don't forget to wipe both sides of the leaves with the diluted coffee solution so the nutrients are evenly distributed, helping the leaves become thicker, sturdier, and maintain their natural shine. This care method should be done 1 to 2 times per week. I will pour the leftover solution into an ice tray, then freeze it to store it for a longer period. When the solution freezes into small ice cubes, many people tend to place the frozen cubes directly at the base of the plant like this, but that is completely wrong. Instead, place 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup like this and wait about 15 minutes for them to melt. After 15 minutes, when the water has returned to room temperature, we can pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The natural nutrients and organic compounds from the coffee grounds, combined with the remaining vitamins and gentle minerals, will be easily absorbed by the plant, supporting root development, boosting resistance, and stimulating lush, healthy green leaves. Results after 2 months of care. After being cared for using this method, the orchids in my garden have shown clear daily improvements and have grown remarkably strong. You can easily notice many new roots emerging. Each root tip is plump and green, a sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients effectively and recovering very well. A healthy root system is the most important foundation for orchids to maintain long-term vitality. The leaves are now darker green, glossy, and much thicker. Those that were once slightly wrinkled or weak have become firm and vibrant, proving that the solution made from coffee grounds has nourished the plant effectively during its recovery phase. In the pots where orchids previously grew slowly, you will start seeing new shoots emerging, and some plants have even begun to push out new flower spikes, clear signs that they have fully recovered and are ready for the next blooming season. Every bloom is a well-deserved reward for the gentle yet proper care you provide. This method not only strengthens your orchids, but also brings noticeable transformation to your entire garden. With patience and consistency, your plants will always reward you with stunning flowers and abundant life. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using coffee, an ingredient so familiar in the kitchen, to nourish your orchids? Share your experience in the comments below. I would love to hear stories from your garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.